In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Gusto app directory. Whether you're new to Gusto or looking to expand your toolset, this tutorial will help you navigate and make the most out of the app directory available on the platform. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to gusto.com. It's important to ensure you're logged into your account to access all the features available. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Gusto provides a variety of useful tools for managing your business, and the app directory is a great way to enhance your experience. Next, move your cursor to the bottom left of the screen and click on App Directory. This section is your gateway to a wide range of applications that can integrate seamlessly with Gusto. The app directory is designed to help you streamline your business operations by connecting with various third-party applications. It's a powerful feature that can save you time and improve efficiency. Once you're in the app directory, you'll notice two main sections: Featured Apps and Categories. The Featured Apps section highlights popular and recommended apps that other users have found beneficial. This is a great place to start if you're unsure which applications might be useful for your business. If you have a specific need in mind, browsing by category can help you find apps tailored to specific functions like accounting, time tracking, or human resources. If you already know what you're looking for, there's a search bar available. Simply type in the name of the app you're interested in, and Gusto will show you relevant results. This search feature is handy if you have a specific app in mind or if you're looking for something that fits precise criteria. After you've found an app that piques your interest, click on the app to learn more. You'll be taken to a page that provides detailed information about the app, including its features, benefits, and how it integrates with Gusto. This is a crucial step as it helps you understand how the app can complement your current setup and meet your business needs. Once you've decided that an app is right for you, the next step is to connect it. Click the Connect button and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the integration process. Depending on the app, you may need to log into your account for that app or provide permission for Gusto to access certain data. Rest assured, Gusto prioritizes your privacy and security, so all integrations are handled with care. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the Gusto app directory and learned how to connect new tools to enhance your business operations. Remember, the app directory is continually updated with new and innovative solutions, so it's worth revisiting regularly to see what new applications might benefit your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made it easier for you to use the Gusto app directory. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy exploring.